Welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about what it means to go long and short a stock and how much money you make from doing so. So if we start out with the stock here, and this is the price of the stock, and this is going to be how much time has passed by. So we start off, let's say we buy the stock at $10. So what's going to happen? This is now time 0, and this is going to be time 1 in the future. Let's write that here, time 0 and time 1. So right now in this present time, what are we going to do? Think about it. We're going to have to buy the stock for $10 and we're going to receive a stock from doing so. So we're going to be minus $10 and we're going to receive a stock. Now when time passes by and we decide to cancel out this transaction, close it off, and we're going to sell this stock, what are we going to do? We're going to make money from selling it, and we're going to get rid of the stock. So if the price went up to, let's say, $12, that means we're going to make $2 from this transaction. And let's think about what we're doing step by step though. So we're going to sell the stock, we're going to make $12 and get rid of it. So we're going to make $12, we're going to get rid of the stock. If we can cancel these things out, we no longer have the stock anymore, and negative 10 plus 12 is 2. Simple, should be straightforward. If the price goes down, well, to $8, let's say, think about what that means. That means we're going to start off with $10, exactly the same as we were looking at here, the first, and then the only difference is that this time, instead of making $12, we're only going to make $8. And we're going to get rid of the stock so we can cancel those out, and we're going to end up with a negative $2 profit from that transaction. So that's what it means to go long a stock. Long just means you buy it and then in the future you're going to sell it. Let's talk about going short. This one should be equally intuitive. So we have our timeline here. It's the price. Here's the time. If we're going short the stock, that means that at this time right now, we're going to sell a stock, and in the future we're going to have to buy it back. So let's put in the same numbers here. Let's say we're making money in the beginning. So that means if we're going to sell a stock right off the bat, we're going to start off with our $10 this time. We're going to make the money from selling it, and we're going to get rid of the stock. And in the future time, we're going to have to make it back. So we're going to have to buy that stock back for the price, and if it's $8, then that's the amount, and we're going to get the stock back. So when you cancel these things out, we're going to end up with $2 left, and that shouldn't be too complicated. And if the price of the stock went up in the other case, that means we're going to have to purchase or sell a stock for $10 again. And we're going to have to, at the end of the day, we're going to have to close out that transaction by purchasing the stock back. If the price of the stock has gone up, that means we're going to have to pay more to close it out. And you can see we're going to lose money in this case because the price of stock went up. So overall, going long just means to buy it. Going short just means to sell it. And you're going to make money depending on whether it goes up or goes down. You make money with long if the price goes up, and you're going to make money with short if the price goes down. And that should be all you need to know for going long and short stocks in the most fundamental idea. So hopefully that was helpful. We'll see you next time.